Ethereal Gull.
Remember me, we used to love each other so passionately. Now I'm cold and gray, and I'm looking for you to remind me how to feel that way. 'Cause I keep looking behind me for an answer, babe. I'm looking for you to remind me, yeah.
Remember me, we used to love each other so openly, naked honesty. And I'm looking for you to remind me how to love that way. And I keep looking behind me for an answer, babe. I'm wishing you were still beside me.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Well, maybe I gone and left my loving. Whoa, and I can't figure it out, no. Whoa, well, maybe I gone and left my loving. Whoa, and I keep wondering now, maybe I gone and left my love with you. Whoa, or maybe I gone and left my love with you. Whoa, maybe I gone and left my love in a past that I'm still dreaming of. Maybe I gone and left my love with you.
You or me, we can point fingers so easily. Liquid memory and waves of our story colliding, kicking up the sand. And I can't see to the bottom, dive in, hold my hand, 'cause maybe we haven't forgotten.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Well, maybe I gone and left my loving. Whoa, and I can't figure it out, no. Whoa, well, maybe I gone and left my loving. Whoa, and I keep wondering now, maybe I gone and left my love with you. Whoa, maybe I gone and left my love with you. Whoa, maybe I gone and left my love in a past that I'm still dreaming of. Maybe I gone and left my love with you. Maybe I gone and left my love with you. I left my love and left my loving. Maybe I gone and left my love with you, and I can't figure it out, no. Maybe I gone and left my love in a past that I'm still dreaming of. Maybe I gone and left my love with you. Maybe I gone and left my love with you. I left my love and left my loving. Maybe I gone and left my love with you, and I can't figure it out, no. Maybe I gone and left my love in a past that I'm still dreaming of. Maybe I gone and left my love with you.
Why does everything gotta be so heavy? Knock you down when you're down already. Oh, so much to carry. Why does everything gotta be so heavy? All the drama lately, yeah, it's overrated. So unnecessary, yeah, I just can't take this feeling anymore. Leave it at the door. I've been falling over, too much on my shoulders. You can only think so much before you break down. All I really need is space to breathe. Why does everything gotta be so heavy? Knock you down when you're down already. Oh, so much to carry. be so heavy. Stop, just wait a minute. I just need a second to regain my peace of mind before I explode. 'Cause there's a lot of things I can't control. I can't control. Why does everything gotta be so heavy? Knock you down when you're down already. Oh, so much to carry. Why does everything gotta be so heavy? Ooh, to the people in the back, all the way to the front row, Ooh, now let me hear it back. Sometimes I gotta let go, let go. Ooh, to the people in the back, all the way to the front row, Ooh, now let me hear it back. Sometimes I gotta let go, let go. Ooh, to the people in the back, all the way to the front row, Ooh, now sing it on back. Sometimes I gotta let go, let go. Ooh, to the people in the back, all the way to the front row, Ooh, now sing it on back. Sometimes I gotta let go, let go. Why does everything gotta be so heavy? Knock it down when you're down already. Oh, so much to carry. Why does everything gotta be so heavy? Why does everything gotta be so heavy? Knock it down when you're down already. Oh, so much to carry. Why does everything gotta be so heavy?
Ethereal Gull. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching.